Hello YouTubers, once again this is Ruwa Chorale Music Academy, and we are still on the music theory series, focusing on the junior schools, the grade 3s to 7, under the Zimsec syllabus, the VPA paper. And this is Dylan Gwatizo, and I'm here with my friend Chikodzi as usual. So today we are on the 5th lesson. We are talking about sharps, flats and naturals. So this is an extension of the other lesson when we were talking about the letter names of notes. Focusing on the keyboard, as we said, it makes us understand the keys more easier. We want to say that the black notes on a keyboard, now these are the keys that will be named sharps, flats, sharps and flats. We'll explain about naturals very soon. So the black notes on a keyboard, they take their names from the white notes. For example, a black note to the right of a white note has the same letter name but with the sharp added. If the white key was C, it means if there is a black note to the right of C, it becomes a C sharp. So likewise, if a black note is to the left of a white key, it also has the same letter name but with a flat added. So if the key was a D, it becomes a D flat. And these sharps, flats and naturals are also called accidentals. So also note that. So we will start with sharps now. The musical sign for a sharp is this. Check, this is like a hash. So this is a musical sharp sign. A sharp raises a note by a semitone. So if we were to play, and we'll explain on another lesson, you see the difference between a C and a C sharp. So likewise, the black note to the right of a C is the C sharp, the black note to the right of a D is a D sharp, and so on. So this is the diagram showing that. So we've got 5 flats in music, 5 sharps. So these are C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp and A sharp. Okay, now I'm sure that is understandable. Now we move to the flats, and you can see this is the symbol of the flat. So the musical sign for a flat is this one. And please notice that this is not the same as the letter B. It's actually a standard music sign that is used like that. Okay, so the function of a flat is that it lowers a note by a semitone. So likewise, the black note to the left of D is therefore D flat. The black note to the left of E is E flat, and so on. So again, this is the diagram showing that. So we've got 5 flats, which is D flat, E flat, G flat, A flat, and B flat. I know that you notice that the same letter, the same black key that we are calling C sharp is the same black key that we call D flat. And this is true of all musical keys, that it depends on the situation. That key, the black key, has got 2 names. If we are counting from D moving to the left, it's a D flat. If we're counting from C moving to the right, it's a C sharp, but it's the same note. But in a circumstances, only one name is correct. So note that. Now move on. We've got what we call naturals. Now that is the musical sign for the natural. So the musical sign for the natural is like that. So a natural cancels a previous sharp or a flat. And all white keys are also called naturals. So if the full name for the white note C is C natural. And all the keys, if you see just a letter like D, E, F, those are natural. It's called D natural, E natural, F sharp, F natural. If it doesn't have a sharp or a flat, it's a natural. Okay, so all the white keys are natural. Now, just a few points to note, few notes to be noted. Every black note can have 2 names, but only one of them would be correct at a given circumstance. As I said, please note this. Then it is sometimes necessary to make sure that it is the white note which is meant. For that reason, a natural is added. So we explain on this, but sometimes you find out there are what we call key signatures. A letter name might have been sharpened at the beginning of the song. So to really know that this is a natural, we have to put a natural before, because the letter name might be affected by a previous sharp. So this is why we should sometime add a natural, and you understand this when we are doing major scales for in the next lessons. And an accidental lasts for 1 bar only for the given pitch. So please note these points. So once again, this is Ruwa Chorale Music Academy. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. Mostly subscribe, so that we show this to the whole world, so that everyone can benefit. God bless you.